step inside the Renault Captur and it's straightforward. It's got everything that you need in a compact crossover. Nothing fancy here, just practical. But you get your infotainment system, your climate control, clear, legible instrument display, multifunction steering wheel, audio controls at the side here, which is a Renault feature. And for this Captur, which is a facelift, you get a new panel here, the gear shifter, the eco button to save fuel on this 1.2 turbocharged engine, nice leather clad seats, space in the rear, which has always been a question. How much space do you have in this Captur? Actually, it's not too bad if you look at the video here. Let me show you. As you can see, legroom is still pretty good. There's adequate legroom at the back. Okay, for 3 people in the back, it'll be a little bit of a squeeze. 2 will be fine, but that's what you buy a crossover for. If you want a lot of space, then you buy a bigger vehicle. And then for 90,000 ringgit, just above 90,000 ringgit, it's not too bad, is it? Because think about your options. Your options are all cars or hatchbacks. If you want a crossover for less than 100,000, the Captur provides it. Pretty decent. And you've got a double layered floor. Yes, there's 2 levels on the floor. There's a hidden panel right underneath this floor, and it's big enough to put maybe 2 duffel bags, 3 backpacks maybe side by side. And you can put your main luggage on top. You can remove this, you can fold down your seats. Well, it's a compact crossover, so don't expect it to be super roomy, but I think it's good enough for the average small Malaysian family. And the Captur comes with a 1.2 tried and tested turbocharged engine. Yes, 1.2, but there's more than enough power. It's a simple little engine, works well, spirited, straight off the go, it's nippy, and you're rest assured of the Renault-Nissan alliance. So Malaysia, no issue for spare parts, after sales and everything else, because you got Tan Chong there with a strong Nissan backing. So you get into your Renault, you take a flat key out. Now you can keep it in your pocket, or you can just slide it in there, start the engine, infotainment comes on, and straight off it's quick, it's nippy, small turning radius, handles well, it's quiet. It's a nice little crossover, and it's a little bit entertaining if you know how to push it without being too aggressive.